All going.
We're going? We would be going to a beach, but someone is taking forever to eat our breakfast, so we can't go. I already got my sunscreen on like 20 minutes ago.
Somebody's slower than you, huh?
I'm going. I'm going.
Turn right.
About time, girl.
Turn left and then. 感谢主赐给我们的丰盛食物，营养、健康和能量。
还有呢？
求主洁净我们的食物，让我们彼此相爱。谢谢主耶稣，奉主耶稣祷告，阿门。
You also declared
Messed up. I messed up. Okay, okay.
It was raining
I have to say
so
fast.
hard
Okay, I
that
won't eat my
our
pizza
feet
this
were
time.
literally
感谢主赐给我们的丰盛食物，营养、健康和能量。求主洁净我们的食物，保持我们健康，让我们彼此相爱。谢谢主耶稣，奉主耶稣祷告，阿门。
The stairs literally waterfall. Our
谢谢主耶稣。
shoes got stuck.
给我们好的天气，给我们好的饮食，让我们在这里尽情享受主所创造的。谢谢主愿这些饮食帮助我们身体健康，能够更爱主。
Hi. You're recording, right?
That's right.
哎，你别舔我，这个垃圾都给你照上来了。
We have to.
他们两个吃的这个也是。你现在 ，Hello，
哦，好可怜，还没有到吃。
还没有，盘子在这里。
这个
等下要去拿了。
西北啊。
Whoever is first will be last, and last will be first.
That's right. Usually, in the church our words always be the last.
怎么样？Camping food, huh?
Good.
Hello, Angela. 跑掉了。你看，吃的笑哈哈。
是笑哈哈，真的是吃的笑哈哈。谢了。
That's the natures God's want us to be. But you will be different. I think that's the book they talk about in the book of James. They talk about if truly your faith, you have faith in God, your life will change.